what's going on in GCS yard this week. If you remember last week, we did a quick tour of the yard, and the office was quite shortly staffed. Today, we've actually got Tim at his desk working, but
I've got jam on me as well.
I will say that Tim didn't go to the shop and buy these.
No.
But I went to Horncastle Village, Horncastle Town.
Town. I'm just getting the.
And they asked me to go to Myers, the baker shop, to get cakes.
I actually said go to the fruit and veg shop. I think it was. I think you just must have misheard.
Well, get you some healthy eating.
Apples, and bananas, and that sort
so
of
I went to. Bear in mind we are in Lincolnshire. I went to the Myers bakery. It closes at 3. I went there at 2:15, and they were closed. Anyway, we've got Tim here today. Look.
Hello.
We've got Michelle, who's trying to hide behind her computer screens and pretend that she's not going to notice Harvey with his camera. But she's busy, and even better still, she's writing out an invoice for somebody. We like invoices being done.
You've got to see the numbers in mine. It's incredible.
Yeah, but Tim, your invoice book is still... Hold it up. Look how thick your invoice book is. Michelle's is nearly empty. What is that?
I've been here long.
No, be fair, he's only been here since 6:30 this morning.
He likes to spend more than sell.
Sorry?
He likes to spend more than sell.
Anyway, there's a quick update on what's... So last week, obviously these two weren't here. Today, we can show them in all their glory, working away. And Tim's doing a... Oh,
Workshop job card.
another workshop job sheet, okay. Tim has moved his hire board this week. He's doing this week's hires board over here now. It was over there. That's our machinery sales board now. So that's this week's machinery sales.
Oh, I need to say that.
That's this week's hires. It's all changed.
But yeah,
Evolved.
I've filed some of it.
Evolved.
Filed it.
Harvey's desk again, as you can see, is very clear. Harvey never brings cakes in, by the way. He's now laughing behind the camera. Right.
Actually, that's a very good point. Actually, that is a very good point.
Yes, true.
Hello, Mum.
Yes.
Thank you for the cream cakes.
Harvey's mother
Beautiful.
very kindly makes us superb cakes.
Still very good.
Okay, superb cakes. Now and again.
But yeah, now if Mum, if you would like to make some more, feel free. I mean, I will gladly help Harvey eat them. Obviously, we're thinking of his waistline.
Well, if not, just bring some bananas.
Careful.
Yeah, I know.
Careful.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Keep up there. Right. This is the yard update moment. Ash is busy gift wrapping. He's not even near Valentine's Day. How you doing, Ash?
Not too bad, mate. Not too bad. Doing alright.
Are you trying to avoid looking at the camera?
I am, absolutely.
Another tank on its way out to a farm in Plymouth. I think, isn't it Plymouth? Cornwall. Going to a farm in Cornwall. So there we go. There's that one. Oh. Our cabin is busy under refurb, as you can see. It doesn't look like it's changed much. In fact, I think it's probably got worse, but it's on the way back. And Paul is hiding down here doing it. Excuse the RAF over above. They come and see us now and again. Here's Paul. Busy. Paul, you're on the YouTubey thing. But Paul's doing the refurb on this, and it's quite surprising how when we actually got this cabin and got it apart, it was just quite surprising just how bad some of the woodwork had become, wasn't it, Paul?
It certainly was.
Quite surprising. So rather than, we don't want to bodge things at all here, we want it to be right and want it to last a long time. So whatever it takes, we've gone backwards in doing it, and more updates as this goes along. Cliff and Elliot doing what they've been doing almost every day this week, fitting sidey sides again. I think by the time they get to about trade number 60 or 70, they'll have got the hang of it by then. But no, they're doing a good job. They're doing a good job. It's just one of these annoying jobs. It just takes 2 people, and it's just you can't do it fast. In the shop, new addition, we now have 10 tools. I don't know how you pronounce it. I think it's 10 tools. They've very kindly been out. They put some display shelves in for us. We've got some of our orders here. Various socket sets, various plier sets, all sorts of things we've got here. Really good gear. Really nice gear. We've still got a few more bits to come, as you can see. But that will follow very shortly. Yeah, so, want to buy some tools? Come to GCS. As you can see, though, we still have got work in progress with a few other bits and pieces. But we will get there. We will get there.
I'm going to turn this on. You ready for this? This is the grand unveiling. You don't get this at like Blackpool right here. Oh. Yeah. Edit. Two to work. What? That end one's not working now. Anybody wants any crisps, they're here. Oh, yes!
Okay.
I'm an electrical genius.
As we go back by the office, one of our new JCB, well, no, new to us this year. We bought it brand new this year. JCB 53695. Just come back from Harvey's tyre. Now going back out, I believe doing potatoes, but just idea. It's been through the workshop, it's been valeted. It's even had tyre black put on it. Look, tyre black on it. Even my truck doesn't get that. Oh God.
Oh, hello.
What Tim hasn't worked out is that my videos get far more views than Tim's videos.
I'm trying to spoil
But
your viewing numbers.
we won't mention that though, just in case one day it changes. I doubt it will. We're going this way. We're back out standing in our field. But this time we've got some trailers in it. Some Charlie's trailers there, which are ready to go. They'll be going, I think, tomorrow. And we've got some route trailers here, equally going out this week. So, yes, we've got some trailers back, but we won't have it very long. I hope not if Tim's doing his job properly. I'm sure he is.
Meanwhile, back at GCS, Harvey's learning to drive a forklift. You might want to pick your tines up there, mate. You might want to pick your tines up. Here is you. Right, to the stillage over there. We're going to take the rubbish away. You might want... Handbrake. There you go, we're off. Oh my God, the look of concentration and fear. Brake! See how many other pedal? Not really sure if Harvey got a driving licence from Frosties or crunchy nut or some sort of children's cereal, but it does look like it. That's still it. Oh my god! Indicate right. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. You know that knob on the seat? Somehow, unbelievably, I let him have a go with the tractor. I must have been consuming some interesting substances. That. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh, your forks are a bit wide. What are you going to do here? Are you going to ask the cameraman to alter your forks for you? You might want to put it out of gear for me. It's a bit neutral.
2 hours later.
Straighten up, straighten up, straighten up, straighten up. Left hand down a bit. Oh my god, he's got it purely by fluke. Bit more, down a little bit. Whoa, you've got it. Right, tilt it back. Middle lever. There you go, there you go. Now lift it up a bit. Nearest to you. Pull it back, nearest one to you, pull it back. Right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't drive it through the shed. Over there, we'll put it on the cover. And it can go in the recycle bin. Oh my god. Can we title this like Harvey does manly stuff, but isn't very good? Grasping that expertly. If you push that forward, look. Oh my god, it goes down. It goes down. We'll just hide. We'll hide behind here, so safe. I feel like I'm getting old.
1 eternity later.
We'll get through there. Straighten your wheels.
Flat out.
No, don't go flat out. Just what? Oh my! Stop! Stop! Oh my god! We can edit that out.
Still 4:30, did you say?
I said, don't stand still, we'll get you on video. He's showing off. He's showing off because he's got a Milwaukee grease gun thingy. So now we've got no excuse for everything in our yard not being greased properly because he's got this, whatever. The wash bay. I'm not going to get too close, but Stuart is here. Look, get Stuart, get you on the telly, Stuart. Stuart's here. Another silage trailer being washed. And I think what people don't realise, to wash that trailer properly takes a day. Either that or Stuart's very slow. I'm not quite sure. No, it's not. All joking aside. It actually takes a day to wash that trailer down. So when customers send them back and we send them a bill for cleaning, it truly takes a day to do that trailer in good order. But there you go. You only got about another 45 to do and he'll be done. Where did Cliff go? It's Cliff over here. I'm not sure if everyone's met Cliff, but come. And this fine gentleman here is Cliff. With his grease gun, okay?
Bum away.
Yeah. This is remember, this is Lincolnshire.
You don't want monetising for that.
Cliff's in charge of getting the trailers all ready. It's his responsibility. He goes around, greases them all up. Now he's got that new toy he does. He likes doing that. But yeah, that's Cliff. He always wears his sunglasses, making himself look cool. Are they special make sunglasses? Are they a special? They're not designer.
Impact resistant ones.
I'm not sure we can't see if he's asleep or not when he's there, but you're showing your underwear now. We need to go. We need to go. We need to go. Right. Can't right, Laurie, just been in. Another load out today. It's always good. Local firm. We like to keep it local. They come local firm. Take the stuff. Which is always really good. Liam is busy doing stuff in the workshop. We'll make you famous now, Liam. Smile.
Try not to.
He's always carrying something around. When I see him, he's always carrying something. Looking busy carrying something around.
Oh, he's got to look busy, hasn't he?
No. I was going to say, make sure that my content is bigger than Tim's content of the video. So I get the views. If you go onto TikTok, all right? Is TikTok? Yeah, TikTok. All right. Look at my clips. then look at Tim's clips. Okay? If it wasn't for me, I'm not sure anybody would watch Tim's. One good thing we've had this week, with the Lancaster bomber from Bomber Command, from BBMF flying over, doing some training flights, whatever. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Please press the subscribe, ring the little bell. I know you know what you're doing, but please ask. It makes a lot of difference what we're doing, okay? Ring the little bell, notifies you when we're doing things, and we'll be doing some live videos and things soon when we get a little bit braver. Because we can edit this, we can't edit the live ones very well. So please click subscribe and keep watching. Thank you very much. Oh, any comments below? What you'd like to see? What you want us to do? Any comments? Please, in the boxes below.
It's all for you, Harvey, this is, mate.
Good morning. Welcome back to GCS Machinery on this very sad Friday morning. We've learnt of the loss of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, who's passed peacefully away at Balmoral. Now, Her Majesty has been the only leader of this country that I have ever known, and I think that's probably the same with an awful lot of other people. Queen Elizabeth, who I have seen several times in my lifetime, has been an absolute inspiration for her dedication and her hard work that she has put into not only this country, but the Commonwealth and the world. And the loss of such a true leader is an extremely sad occasion. I think this country will be a great loss without her.
I think at this sad time that we would like to offer our condolences from all of the team and staff at GCS, not only us, but the whole country, our suppliers, everyone that we work with, to the royal family, and we wish them all the best for the future.